So if you want to move your crypto from your Coinbase wallet back to your Coinbase account, then here's how you do it. You should first open your Coinbase wallet app and start by opening the app and logging in. Next is to tap on the crypto you'd like to send, like Ethereum or Bitcoin. Then after that is you need to press on send, of course. Then, okay, I can show you right here. You can add an existing wallet, then secret phase, then select the cryptocurrency you would like to connect, and then you can go back to your wallet and paste the address by switching to your wallet app and paste that address into that field, which is right here. And that's it. You need to double check everything, especially the address, before you hit send.